The iPhone SE 4 appears to be on track for an imminent launch in early 2025. Recent reports indicate that Apple has already ordered displays. A tech tipster, Jukan Losrev, posted on X, formerly Twitter, that according to the South Korean site Audi News, Apple's camera partner LG Innotek has decided to start mass production of the camera module for the iPhone SE 4 in December. They are currently conducting tests ahead of mass production. He further said that LG Innotek typically supplies camera modules about 3 months before a smartphone's release. Considering this, the iPhone SE 4 is likely to be launched in March next year, as predicted by the market. While these reports remain unofficial, they align with earlier information, including a prediction from reliable source Mark Gurman in October, who suggested a release window between March and June, with mass production likely starting in December. Anticipation is building, and leaks have provided a glimpse into possible features. The iPhone SE 4 may offer a larger 6.1-inch OLED display, replacing the smaller 4.7-inch screen of the 2022 model. However, it's unclear whether this new display will feature a notch or a dynamic island design, both of which would bring a fresh look compared to the current model. However, according to the leaks, the iPhone SE 4 could house a smaller notch similar to the iPhone 14. Additional rumors hint at a single-lens camera setup and possibly support for Apple Intelligence. This would mean advanced capabilities powered by either an A17 Pro or A18 chipset and 8 GB of RAM, marking a substantial upgrade in performance over the iPhone SE 3. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to shine with a standout camera, potentially featuring a 48-megapixel lens enhanced by AI optimization. This combination could make the iPhone SE 4 an impressive choice for photography, positioning it as a strong contender among camera-focused smartphones. Furthermore, the iPhone SE 4 is said to mark a major shift for Apple. The SE 4 is said to be the first iPhone to feature Apple's in-house 5G modem. As per Kuo, Apple's in-house 5G chip will gradually replace Qualcomm modem. The iPhone SE 4 is also expected to feature a USB-C port and possibly an action button. The design is rumored to closely mirror that of the iPhone 16, an all-screen layout that eliminates the traditional home button. In conclusion, the iPhone SE 4 is going to be a powerful device with flagship-level upgrades. Though the iPhone SE 4 is likely to be the cheapest iPhone with Apple Intelligence, it certainly comes at a higher cost. A smartphone with a $500 price tag does not fit the affordability criteria in general terms. For a clear price picture, you can check out my recent video. The link is available in the I section or description. What are your thoughts about these latest developments? Are you excited about the launch? Let us know in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks and early tech updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.